Hello everyone and welcome to BPP Reviews. In this video we are going to unbox and review the Danby model number DDW621WDB dishwasher. Actually I've had this dishwasher before, and this one is actually a replacement washer, and the problem that I had with the other one was the tablet wasn't working, like the door wasn't opening and the tablet wasn't falling, so it wasn't working. Let's open this one and see if it has the same problem or not. We open the box. I don't know what's the use of these two woods, but probably for structural reasons. Here is a dishwasher. Look, it's interesting. It has a dent over here, and this dent, I had dent on other place on the other dishwasher, so maybe they need to do a better packing. We open the door. Here is what you see inside. And just same as the other one, I'm seeing some water or some moisture in it. Perhaps it happens during the quality control test. It's good that they test each and every dishwasher. So nothing inside. On the rack we have the manual and this faucet adapter plus the piping. Here is the piping. This one fastens to the back of the unit, that's for drain, and this one is for water inlet, and this one just hooks up to your existing faucet with this one. Like this coupling would connect to your faucet, and this one just snaps into the faucet, so you don't need any other piping or plumbing or anything, not for drain and not for the water inlet. And yeah, that's all into it. So this one goes in and out very easily and nicely, and that's the end of the unboxing video.